thank you very much for coming today.
It's really appreciated for all the media friends.
So today, as I explained, our main booth, focus in the booth, is e-power.
E-power is a very unique technology which can drive
100% electric drive while there is no hassle for the charging. And now we have already introduced two e-power models. One is the Kicks e-power and then Serena e-power. And today we introduced the third e-power model, which is the X-Trail e-power. So this is actually a main strategy in Thailand for us to have to say contribute to the customers. And then we are now planning to bring another e-power in the coming years, which will be produced here in Thailand. So on top of that, actually now we have already prepared many promotions for the car sales. So please enjoy our booth, and then our team members will support all of you guys. Thank you very much.